This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Outstanding executive home in Grand Lakes built by Trendmaker. Open floor plan with 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths, 2 bedrooms downstairs. Master suite has separate shower and jetted tub. Large tile throughout kitchen, family room and wet areas. Foyer includes large tiles with granite inserts. Chef's kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Breakfast bar. High ceilings, blinds and shutters, built-ins in family room, surround sound throughout living and outside. 3-car detached garage, huge covered patio, and amazing outdoor space with heated pool, spa and built-in swim jets. Sprinkler system and garage pegboard walls. Lease includes pool maintenance. Refrigerator and washer and dryer included. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.